What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 225. I'm tasting something brand new again. I've been getting a lot of new stuff this week. This one you don't usually see here on the island. It's actually quite difficult to get on the island. But Spinnakers and Vic West had it, so I grabbed a bottle and was like, okay, cool, let's do this. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the Jones Distilling Revelstoke number 6 Bathtub Gin Series. Now, their Bathtub Gin Series are a post-infused gin. So they make their gin and then they infuse it with more botanicals and teas and raspberry flavorings. So this is number 6. So I think they've got 8. Maybe that might be wrong, but I know they've got more than 6. Now, I looked online trying to find a little bit more information about this. It just seems like it is raspberry infused. They have done a raspberry tea infused one as well. I'm not sure if this is still using the raspberry tea. By looks of it, it's just using raspberry. But we'll soon know. Flavored gins just become so big in BC, haven't they? Like, we've just got such a massive, I'm going to pour myself a little bit more, such a massive myriad of different BC gins. It's kind of crazy right now that are all flavored. 37.5, so that shows you the post-infusion has taken the alcohol content down a little bit. On the nose, you're getting distinct raspberry, but fresh raspberry. The one thing that you have to understand when you talk about real flavored, proper flavored gins is that, especially in BC here, they're not using the tinctures and the crap that you get in the little bottles and you put a couple of drops in and it's fucking flavored. It's much more real flavoring. So when you have real flavoring, you're talking about pits and skin and maybe leaves and stems and all these different things that give you a sort of a raspberry green sort of flavor, not just sweet, fake raspberry. On the palate, just like I said, real raspberry, like real raspberry, like biting into a handful of raspberries you just picked off the bush. Some are green, some are ripe, some are underripe, some are overripe. This beautiful myriad. I kind of feel like there is a tea element in there. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm getting a little tannic tea sort of flavor profile. It could be from the juniper in the classic gin. But man, it's not sweet. If you're thinking that you're going to have a raspberry gin and it's going to be sweet, this is not the one for you. And I don't think there's any out there that are like super sweet. It just is a really good raspberry flavor. Now, what would I be doing with this, kicking this about? That beautiful raspberry, that gorgeous, bright juniper and gin structure behind it. I'll be going for a classic Clover Club with this one. A little bit of this, some dry vermouth, raspberry syrup just to punch up that raspberry, because this is going to really, you add a little sweetness to this, it's just going to bloom. And then a little lemon juice, egg white. So kick it off. So I'm hoping that I can get more of this stuff in Victoria, because I really do enjoy Jones's stuff. They do some fantastic stuff that just doesn't get shipped here to the island very often. So number 225, the Revelstoke number 6 Bathtub Gin Series, the Raspberry Gin from Jones Distilling. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.